Good morning, guys. So, how's your 4th of July? And this job, we're replacing the water pump. So, you can see this is the signs. You can see these white marks right here. That's coolant. I'll show it to you later after I remove the water pump. So, water pump, it's right here under this under this one. So, it's under the alternator. So, we're removing the battery, removing this off, not totally remove, just two bolts right there, and then putting them aside, and then we're able to remove the alternator. Let's go. Battery terminal is out, this is out, belt is out, so we're removing the tensioner right there. So, so alternator is out, so this is the water pump. And here, see those white marks over there? You will see later after removing the one white marks. That's the coolant. So, yeah, 12 millimeter bolts. I think five of it. And then yeah, just remove it. So you can see, I'll remove the water pump. So again, as I told you earlier, so it was leaking. So you can see right there, those pink coolant. So it was leaking right there. So that's the reason why we're replacing the water pump. So yep, failed water pump. So put the new water pump in and update you in a little bit. So, uh, just a water pump update. This is the water pump. It just came in today, so now we're gonna install it back, and then yeah, we'll go from there. Then recheck it. So to put it back, it's like one bolt at a time, because then there is a gasket over here. You can just zap, or zap the one bolt, and then forget the rest. So we put one bolt each, and then we tighten it. Okay, now we're topping up fluids. We're gonna bleed the system. Everything is on. So what you wanna do? Turn on the vehicle. Put the AC on the heater mode. You can see right there. Heater mode. Put it in blast. Make it sure in a cycle. And then you gotta wait until the vent like there's a hot air coming out, and then there is the fan on the radiator turns on. That's the time we'll be done, and then just keep it in idle. So we had to put like 2000 RPM on this one, and then yeah, then now it's a waiting game. So, so as you can see, the fan kicks in. Right? That's the time you have to put your engine in idle. This is hot as well, so you can see the temperature. So turn this down, put it in idle, like like a minute or so, and then yeah, you go from there. You can shift it out, clean the engine, always clean the engine. So that's the only thing I can do to the customer. Yep. And then this car is ready to go.